Imagine stopping a factory shutdown before it even starts. Today, the world's largest businesses are using AI to predict machine failures, reducing costly downtime and boosting efficiency. Instead of relying on averages or guesswork based on a calendar, modern strategies use real-time data from IoT sensors to forecast exactly when a specific machine requires intervention. This model involves a complex network of sensors gathering information about equipment health, which an AI analyzes to generate precise insights into upcoming maintenance needs. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, the system monitors continuous data streams to predict failures, allowing teams to take proactive measures rather than reacting to breakdowns. This approach helps factories avoid costly issues resulting from unplanned downtime, including significant lost productivity, unexpected repair costs, and missed customer delivery expectations. Consequently, companies can significantly reduce overall downtime while simultaneously boosting operational efficiencies through a shift from reactive to predictive maintenance programs. Some of the largest global businesses have already deployed these AI tools with promising results, proving that data-driven maintenance is the future of industrial reliability. So there you have it. AI turns maintenance from a guessing game into a precise science. What industry do you think will adopt this first? Let me know in the comments.